Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize AI tools through MailerLite detailed guide step by step clearly. To optimize AI tools through MailerLite, start by logging into your MailerLite account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Automation tab located in the top menu. Select Create Workflow to begin setting up your AI automation. Next, click on the plus icon to add an action to your workflow. Select Send an Email to create an automated email response. Design your email using the drag and drop editor. In the email editor, incorporate AI-generated content to enhance engagement. Utilize MailerLite's integration options to connect with your AI tools. For example, integrate with Zapier to synchronize data between platforms. Once your email design is complete, save and activate your workflow. Test your automation by subscribing to the specified group yourself. Monitor your automation's performance through analytics in MailerLite. Refine your workflow over time to ensure maximum effectiveness. Regularly update your AI tools to leverage the latest features. Stay informed about new MailerLite updates that could enhance automation capabilities. Engage with your audience through personalized content delivered via automation. Consistency and iteration are key to successful optimization in MailerLite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.